All right, guys, we're getting ready to go up to my mom's house in Ocala, and we're gonna go check out a few bikes. It's not like this. The one I was looking at that they...
Adventure. This
It's
is
like
what.
the mirrors are in my way.
Yeah.
Oh God, I don't like this.
No, because they all those. I learned from Johnny. What, you guys doing deals?
Oh yeah. Every day is a deal.
That's on it. You see what I'm talking about.
Oh.
It's like very comfortable. There you go.
You're gonna have to buy it, Bob.
Yeah.
It's really low compared to this.
Yeah.
Wow, this cost as much as Bob's truck.
Pretty cool. Open the wind.
Car though.
Go.
So your wallet's in the car.
Ring your bell.
Alright guys, we got a railway coming. We got a Honda going up. Hey,
Nice.
I think some of it. It's like breaking.
The rest of the paperwork together.
Let me get my card so I can pay you guys.
Congrats again.
Thank you so much for your help. Can I do you want me to go get your purse? Yeah.
Lots of speakers. Huh? This one. Over here.
Oh, hell yeah, a whole racket shop section.
Hi, Daisy. You ready to go in?
Double check that I have everything.
You ready to go home? Honda.
All right. A little bit of a ride. Huh?
Oh yeah.
I just don't want to hit the bike. Okay, we're twisting. It's twisting up in the front end. All right, hold on. We're clear.
All right. There you go.
Other thing I saw on that BMW, they